Okay, so in the Escape the Maze challenge, the first challenge, as you can see in the description, you've got to control the turtle called Adrian. By sticking with the name Adrian, you've got to move him through a maze. Now he starts on a red square, and you've got to help him get to the yellow square without touching any of the blue. And he must leave a trail of breadcrumbs behind him. Now that part is done by using the pen down command. Now, we give you some examples here that you could use. So run the trinket first of all by pressing the play, and then modify the code to help him escape. And there's a tip that each square is 25 pixels across. So let's show you what this looks like. So we have our starting code. Now we've added pen down so that when Adrian moves he will draw. So if, for example, I added Adrian forward 100, Adrian moves forward 4 squares, because 4 times 25 is 100. Moving to each square takes 25 pixels. Then we need to allow Adrian to move through all of these white squares, ending on the yellow square. And when you're done, you will have a submit button underneath where you can submit your code for your teacher to give you some feedback if you haven't quite gone wrong, or to say well done if you've got it right.